a star shape, a star attack one, and its moves over here is speed, and this one is a different sacrificer. This one moves like this is just nothing. It's just spinning, but it's gonna spin it. This moves by standing. This one is a shining one. This one attacks by like this, and this is falling. This spins like it falls down. Now my mother and I are gonna play Beyblades. So we choose one.
This one.
Yeah. Now you gotta spin it. Not you have to do it fast. Do it like this, so that you do. If you keep it like that, it's like walnut. I'll just show you. Like for this, there's no like these lines, right? So means you have to do that.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! I think you can't use the star attack one. You have to hold this, that's so. This one you have to hold this. If you fall down, it's nothing. No, only launchers can do this. Launchers. But there's no launcher in here. I left it in India. So bye. Bye. I'll meet you in the next video.